Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor assembly complete for Hamilton Beach part number 990156300. Motor assembly complete for Hamilton Beach part number 990156300 is a complete motor assembly for Hamilton Beach blenders. It includes the motor, blade, assembly, and gasket. The motor is a 120V, 60 Hz, 175W motor with a speed of 15,000 RPM. The blade assembly consists of two stainless steel blades that are designed to chop and blend food quickly and efficiently. The gasket is made of rubber and helps to seal the blender lid to the base of the blender. This part is compatible with Hamilton Beach blenders models 51101R, 51101W, 51102R, 51102W, 51103R, 51103W, 5110. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a broken or worn out motor assembly in a Hamilton Beach blender. It can fix symptoms such as the blender not turning on, the motor running but not blending, or the motor making loud noises. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the appliance from the power source. 2. Remove the screws that secure the motor assembly to the base of the appliance. 3. Carefully remove the motor assembly from the base of the appliance and set aside. 4. Place the new motor assembly into position on the base of the appliance and secure with screws. 5. Plug in the appliance and test to ensure proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.